Hello everybody and welcome back to Jotun! My hair's wet, and this is going to be a game that pisses me off. Also, I realized just now after I started recording that, hey, my camera is up there. You're not going to be able to see my health and stuff. Okay, new area. We have 2 places to go. Let's see. What you got? What do you have for me? Bring it. My brother killed my dad.
Hversu stór fuglinn sem situr í krónu Yggdrasils?
Oh, I was actually hoping. So I'm at the bottom. I started at the bottom. I want to be up there. Alright. I can dig it. Let's go exploring. Do you want to go exploring? I'm gonna go exploring. What are these? Let's go exploring. You're gonna go exploring. Well, fuck you too. Okay. I'll go exploring down here. Something ate these giant leaves, and that is sad. Oh, I can go out onto a limb. Literally. Okay. Enough playing around. We've got to go exploring. Come on. Let's go.
Í krónu Yggdrasils situr nafnlausi örninn. Á milli augna hans situr haukurinn veðurfölnir.
I don't think that's how nature works. Drop that down, so back. Okay, alright. What's that? Oh. We're gonna do some more exploring. This game is still really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. If only the bosses didn't piss me off so much. Run. Run, bro. Run. We're going to get eaten by something that has a hawk in between its eyes. I don't feel good about that. I'll be honest. I don't. Get out to... Shit. Oh, yeah, okay, that's how. Oh, that was... Ooh, beans. Well, I call them helicopters, but I actually don't know what those things really are. Things that, you know, you just kind of drop and they go, woo! Yeah, those things. I have no idea where I am. Ooh! No, I don't want this. Well, I mean, I kind of want it, but at the same time, I don't really need it. Map check. I think I know where the new god town is. Aimer, cover everything for me. Rescover. Not recover, but rescover. I think it's up this way. But how do I get there? That doesn't work. Okay. Oh, feathers. Hello, once again. Why? Oh, I thought you were gonna attack me. You have eggs! You have babies! I don't want to hurt your babies, but, I do want to pass the level. As long as your babies don't start hatching when I go by, we're good! Or as long as you don't fucking try and kill me, you bitch! I'll smash your eggs! Fuck you! Jeez! How rude people be. I'm just a small person trying to get through daily life. Are you fucking kidding me with that shit? Okay. Nothing down. Fuck it! Then! Fuck you and your goddamn bird. Fucking serious? Where am I going? No! Fuck! Go on to the branch and don't die! How about it? Jeez. Huh. Oh, well, I hit the wrong button anyway. Could I alternatively not? Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, yeah. This might be where the... Yes. Hello. I am woman.
Heilun goðanna. Hilsi þér frigg, drottning Áskars, gyðja fæðingar og visku.
So I can use that 3 times now. That's actually very useful. I thought she looked a bit familiar, but I was like, And now I definitely know where I am. So that is... Fuck it. Then... There we go. Let's save. I still managed to get hit. I think there might be an apple tree somewhere around here. He's just like all the way out here. Well, that certainly wasn't it. Maybe... No, I don't think so. Alright. So I just gotta... when the bird isn't trying to kill you.
Þú hefur fundið rún veðurfölnis. Haltu áfram að kanna svæðið eða snúðu aftur í ginnungagap.
I'm going to continue exploring up here. Can I do that? Oh!
Eftir eskitrénu endilöngu ber ratatoskur orð veðurfölnis niður til ormsins níðhöggs.
Norse mythology is a bit weird. But cool at the same time. I don't think there's really that much here left for me to... Well... That little area that's just like branches all the way out there, I don't think I ever went there. I'm gonna try and go there though. Also, 3 out of 5 done. 3 out of 5 bosses. I have no god powers. Oh. That's okay, I don't think up that high. Anyway.
Hversu stór fuglinn sem situr í krónu Yggdrasils?
Yep. I'll be back. Awesome! Found this little cave. Oh, it has one of the rune signs over it. I'm actually not really sure where this goes or what this does, but I completely intend to find out. Gimme. Extend my life even more. So that's pretty much exactly what I was looking for. I decided that I'm going to start splitting these up as single level stuff, so I can release like this level, record the next one, release that one in maybe a week, and then after that try the boss, so that I don't feel like there's 2 or 3 week gaps between Jotun, because I don't really like that. Anyway, thank you for dealing with me and my wet hair, and probably this kind of boring episode. But I'm Coffee Gamer, and this was Jotun. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Until next time.